Welcome to the Park Ride Save tutorial for the Detroit People Mover. I'm going to be showing you how to get cheaper parking spots without sacrificing convenience, all with the help of the People Mover. So first thing you're going to do is think about the event that you're going to downtown. For this example, I'm going to use the Turkey Trot on Thanksgiving, and I'm thinking I want to cheer on my friend at Grand Circus Park. However, I know there's going to be a lot of traffic, some road closures, and it's probably going to be expensive to park. So here's what we're going to do to get the best parking possible. First thing you want to do is download the Park Detroit app if you don't already have it downloaded. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and head into the app. If it's your first time opening the app, it's going to have you log in or sign up. Once you do, you're going to be looking at a screen like this. The blue is for on-street parking and the squares are off-street parking. So first thing you want to do is go to the top of the screen, and you can put in the date in the future and the time that you're going to be parked for. So I'm putting in Thursday, November 28th from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. In the top right corner, you can add the vehicle you'll be using to park. And then when you go to the right-hand side of the screen, the second button down with 3 lines and 3 dots, that's going to allow you to toggle different filters. So I recommend toggling off the metered parking and keeping the off-street on. You can also scroll down and turn on EV charging or accessible if you need that, among other things. You're then going to hit apply filters at the bottom of the screen, and then this is what you'll be looking at. So I'm thinking about Grand Circus Park, but when I zoom in, the spots are pretty expensive. But thankfully with the People Mover, I don't need to park there. Instead, I can look at all these spots in the Central Business District in downtown Detroit and start analyzing these prices by pinching and using my finger to move around. So this $10 spot caught my eye here, so I'm zooming into that. I can then click on that spot, and it'll give me all the information I need. It gives me the address, how to park, and photos, so I know exactly what it's going to look like when I get there. You can then hit park here at the bottom of the screen to reserve your spot in advance. Then you can zoom out and take a look at where exactly your spot is. So this is Jefferson and Woodward area, and what you can do is go either into your maps, or you can go to thepeoplemover.com to look at our system map. So then I can zoom into where that was, which was Jefferson and Woodward, and I see that the Financial District station is super close by. I also see that Grand Circus Park Station is right at Grand Circus Park, so I can easily park down here, walk to the Financial District, and take a short ride to my final destination at Grand Circus Park.